Welcome, good afternoon. Today we are in IKEA in Emsphere Mall in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm going to go eat. I came here to eat, so enjoy. You are watching Julie with JulieAccettasJourney, and this is the reason I came. I'm going to go eat me some Swedish meatballs. I am super excited to start eating. Let me show you what I got. I am so full. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being on this journey with me. You are in Bangkok, Thailand, in IKEA, Bangkok, Thailand. The food was excellent. I'm going to walk around the mall, Emsphere Mall in Bangkok, Thailand, Sukhumvit. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, JulieAccettasJourney. Thank you so much. Love to all.